Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate your home with chrome decor pieces, all made from materials found at the dollar store. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. For our first home decor piece, we will be making a pedestal bowl. For this, we will need a large square bowl with a chrome-like finish. We will also need a placemat. This one is in the shape of a maple leaf with a chrome-like finish. We will also need one champagne glass. Dollar Tree sells these in a 4-pack. We will also need some flat back pearl stud stickers with a chrome-like finish. And as per most of my DIY projects, we will also be using our handy dandy glue gun. This one was purchased from Amazon. To begin, we will need to cut out shapes from the maple leaf placemat and use some hot glue to adhere each piece to each of the 4 sides of the large square bowl. For this, I will be using a white metallic marker to help me guide the shape of each piece. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once each side of the bowl has a piece of the maple leaf adhered to it, we will give the bowl some height by adhering a plastic champagne glass to the bottom of the bowl. For this step, turn the champagne glass upside down and apply a thin line of hot glue to the base of the champagne glass and then adhere it to the bottom of the square bowl. Once that is done, we can work on further embellishing both the bowl and the base of the champagne glass with the chrome pearl bead stickers. Here you will see that I'm lining the edges of the maple leaf with the pearl bead stickers. I'll also be lining the outer rim of the large bowl, the 4 corners of the large bowl, and the outer rim of the champagne glass opening as well. And here's the final look for our chrome pedestal bowl. Comment down below and let me know what you would use this bowl for. Some ideas I came up with was to use it to hold my jewelry, or I could place the bowl on a console table by the door to hold keys. Let me know what you think. For our second home decor piece, we will be making a tall chrome candle holder. The design, in my opinion, is reminiscent of a fancy martini glass. For this, we will need a smaller version of the square bowl. Dollar Tree sells these in a 4-pack. We will also need another one of the plastic champagne glasses that we used earlier. But for this decor piece, we will only be using the base of the champagne glass. I'll show you later what I mean. We will also need some ornament balls with a chrome-like finish. I have chosen 2 different sizes that I found in the Christmas section of my local Dollar Tree. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace. To begin, take the 2 medium-sized ornament balls and using your fingers gently remove the cap from each. Then, take one of the medium-sized ornament balls and insert the tip into the base that came with one of the plastic champagne glasses. To ensure the hold is secure, you may opt to apply some hot glue to the tip before inserting it into the base. Then take the remaining medium-sized ornament ball and the smaller ornament ball, and with the caps removed, snip off the tip from each. Then, using some hot glue, adhere the medium-sized ornament ball to the other one. Make sure you line up the 2 ornament balls straight in a vertical fashion. Then, repeat the same steps by adhering the smaller ornament ball on top. Next, apply some hot glue to the top of the smaller ornament ball and then adhere the smaller square bowl to it. Make sure that it is secured and firmly held in place. For extra embellishments, I'm going to add a small string of beaded necklace in between the bowl and the small ornament ball, as well as in between each of the ornament balls. Here, I'm also adding a row of the silver-studded flat-back pearl stickers around the edge of the base, as well as around the outer rim of the square bowl. And here's the final look for our tall candle holder. If you want your candle holder to be taller, you could opt to add a few more ornament balls. Looking at the chrome candle holder, I think it reminds me of a fancy martini glass. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.